Kevin iPhone tips and tricks. You see today? I'm going to show you how tips and tricks on an iPhone 6S. You see me? So first thing we have to put on 3D touch and haptic touch. So there's it right there. Press it. Then press 3D touch. So you have adjust the light amount of pressure needed to activate 3D touch. Light sensitive pressure reduces the amount of pressure. So yeah. So now, I'll show you what that look like. So the first touch it, yeah, scroll along. So I go on Bluetooth. The device is there, you see it work. So yeah, we are gonna haptic touch now. Show you how it work. Show you how it work. Back it out. Back it out. So you go force touch down on the picture and you go slide it up. If you not slide it up, you got to open a new tab, download the file, add to reading list, copy, etc. Slide it down to come out. Next thing I'm going to show you now are the new volume will come with iOS. You see new volume? You know, shape like a square something you see the funny a long time. You see me? So I'm going to show you now. See it there? Turn down, you don't turn up. See speaker beside it. Turn down. Turn it back up. Yeah. So I see I do that. The next thing, animation will come with the silent mode on and off. See it there? Off now and it was off before. The next thing I'm going to show you now, a Siri. You see it Siri now? You can't even tell Siri anything. But the first thing I tell about Siri, I wallpaper them. You see you have light and dark mode. So light mode is that and dark mode is that. So you see light mode now? Yeah. So I go up on the wallpaper cause in iOS 13 you get different kind of wallpaper. You get better wallpaper, you see me? Press it. Press the blue one. Press the blue one. You have all of those colors. Press the blue one and now I go set it for home screen. So set it on paper. Go the whole thing. You see that look like in a light mode. So now, yeah, this is how you look in a dark mode. That was light mode before. Now this is dark mode. Turn it back to my red and orange when they have panic and first. Set. See it there? In a dark mode now. Okay. So now, I'm going to show you share it. So you can say, hey Siri, Torian is my best friend. Torian is my best friend. And see it there?
Okay. Do you want me to remember that Torian is your best friend?
And you go show you say Torian your best friend. So anytime you want to call her,
okay.
You say,
Gee there. I'll remember
hey Siri,
that Torian
call
is your
my
best friend.
And you go call him. The next thing now you can ask Siri to tell you what is the name of music we play around the society.
Let me
you
listen.
See, if you want name of music we play in the society, you just say, hey Siri, what is the name of the music playing right now? And she will tell you. So you can tell her anything and she tell you. You have a whole heap of things you can tell Siri. To end our video today, I'd like you to like, share and subscribe. Peace.